It's a damn beautiful day. Got my drag tires coming in tomorrow. I got a company that sponsored me on floor mats for the entire car, which is fucking sweet. So I'm gonna plug you guys with that. He makes floor mats for the IS, Subarus, I think a bunch of other cars too. So I'm gonna show you those. And then, hello. Guys, stop listening to that fuck over there. Listen to me, because I'm from the future. It's the 3rd of June. Don't be a dumbass like me. You know, when I was driving back from Bakersfield, I never realized how much I enjoyed listening to music. So, with my shitty little Sony deck here, I am not allowed to listen to music because it just craps out on me. I plug in my phone and it says overload. Think phones and any MP3 for this deck that does not last long. They pull too many amps. So this thing just takes an absolute shit. So, I'm going to go buy that little Sony, or the Pioneer, oh Jesus. I'm gonna buy the little Pioneer AirPlay thing. Should be cheap enough. Install that in there, do a little wiring. Maybe, I think it comes with a backup camera too, or it's like backup camera ready. Be kind of cool. Modernize my dash over here. I'm not gonna do a drift car, man. I keep thinking about a drift car. I want to build one, but I don't think I'd build a drift car yet until I had a shop, like in my name, or I shop with Scott or whatever, if I had a shop in general, because then we could really like fabricate stuff. If we wreck something, pull the fucking part off, fix it real quick. I don't have that ability to do it at the house and stuff. It's too much of a hassle. So what I will be building though is just another project in general. Since the guy that bought my RM54 and stuff, all the parts are here: the clutch, the flywheel, the shifter, slave, and the transmission. I'm going to do the installation for him in my garage. So in a week or two, I'm going to move my car out for a little bit, put his car in, and then we're going to do the RM54 drop, or I think he has a W58 in his car now, so I'll drop that out. Maybe even have Cruz come over to give me a hand and bullshit with me and shit, and have some fun on the video. And then we'll throw the RM54 in, get it all shifting nice, and make sure he has a car now that he can handle with some power too. And like I said, man, this trans is still solid. That input shaft, there's no movement there, so he's gonna have some fun with this. I'm not like, I don't know. I just feel like I can find a better job. I don't feel like where I'm at.
You're gonna talk shit about your job on your YouTube channel?
No, I just don't feel like where I'm at. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I can do a lot more shit over there.
Facts.
Oh, fuck, yeah. Dude, look at these bitches. Holy shit. I didn't even know they dropped these off. Oh, these are dope. Holy Christ, those are sick.
Those are pretty wet.
I'm gonna mount those bitches today.
What are you gonna mount them on?
I'm gonna pull out the welds right now. Fucking God, those are sick. Fucking straight up yummy. Oh, dope. There's nothing. Just right here. All right, let's get these bitches out and go mount them. Watch, they're gonna get mounted, thrown on the car for like 45 minutes, and get put right back in the same spot. Good God, these are so good looking. Oh my God, too bright. Too bright. Stop down, dude. Jesus. There we go. Much better. Much better. Christ, I don't even think these things are gonna fit. All right, let's try it. Okay, you can move it. Yeah, I mean, whatever. Whole car is still dirty. I know, I'll wash. I'm not gonna take pictures of it yet. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. I'm not gonna wash it yet though. It's too fucking hot. I just wanna get these fucking drag tires mounted. There's nothing better than having a, oh Jesus, well not that. There's nothing better than having a high horsepower turbo car, and I'm still having, I'm talking during my vlog right now. What are you doing? Jesse has my GoPro. Jesse.
Why?
Because he took his car to go get retuned, so I wanted to catch it on video.
Oh.
So he took it on video. There's nothing better than having a T56 Magnum swapped, turbo 2JZ, and AC. Oh, just blow that cold Jesus air on me. Well, after going to get my drag tires on, I had to stop mid-trip to flip around and assess a problem that we have. Great. My life. My fucking life, right? Jesus Christ, man. Come on, will something work? Loud knocking. Loud clunk from what sounds like the bell housing area on the trans. Like a tick, 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 tick. Loud as shit. and I don't know what that's coming from. I don't know if that's clutch, if that's hydraulic bearing, it's the throw out, etc. It's not the trans. I can tell it's not in the gearbox. You can hear it. It's definitely where the bell housing's at, so I think it has something to do with the clutch. So I'm going to call Clutch Master to see if they got any like tech info for me. I'm definitely going to pull the trans off right now. I got the drive shaft, things drained and shit. I got to go to the store and get a special socket. Because Scott put nice bolts on my trans. I don't have the nice bolt, the nice socket with the Allen and stuff. So I'm going to go to the store real fast, grab that, and then I'm going to drop the trans in the garage. Just fucking lovely. So this day that turned into a really fun day off. Just kidding. You can already tell I'm kind of annoyed. We're having a blast right now. So I just took off the transmission. Mom's helped me out. Had me on the double jack lowering system. Give you guys an idea what it looks like when you don't have a lift in your house. So we're looking at T56 is dropped and out and clear. The lines are obviously still hooked up. But yeah, it's out. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car with the flywheel and the clutch still in. And that's going to let me know if the problem is with the throw-out bearing, with the clutch or something like that moving around. And then, yeah, I mean, we're just going to have to, if it doesn't make any noise right now, then it's going to be the gearbox. And something, just a fluke, something happened with this transmission. And I'll just have to get it sent back under warranty. Pretty fucked up. You guys are going to get so many different videos, so much content right now. T56, why you broke? I know. This is a sad sight to see. I know. Don't get me wrong. I know. I'm sad as hell. So the update we have is the distributor for my transmission, or the distributor that Scott works with for the T56 transmissions. He's issuing basically the invoice and everything to send this transmission back to Tremec. So we'll be shipping it back, which sucks because they'll have to inspect it, which will take a lot of time, more time the car's out, yada yada yada. This is also why I'm telling everybody that watches my channel, have a second fucking car. Because you can see, if you watch my entire channel, everything, you will see how many times I've had to borrow cars or how many things I've run into where I don't have a second car. And I can't, like, good luck.
I love you.
Look good.
Thank you, man.
The fact that I don't have a second car ready, I know I bought that truck and I sold it and made money, whatever, but, oops. The fact that I don't have a second car yet is driving me crazy. Not even that the transmission has a manufacturer defect. That's whatever. But the fact that I don't have another truck yet to where I can just put this IS in the garage, not worry about it, chill, that's the most important thing I think that you need to have when you're going to go modifying your vehicle. Have a fucking backup. Don't be a dumbass like me. So what's wrong with it? Well, we don't know. So we know it's not the clutch. I checked out everything from Clutch Masters. I went through, checked the flywheel, checked the throw-out bearing, everything. Ran the car while the transmission was off just so I can see if the clutch was making any noise. Not one noise. So, I mean, what does that leave? It really just leaves the throw-out bearing at the gearbox. Spun the throw-out bearing. Nothing. I know I'm not spinning it as fast, but still, it's like no noise at all. Okay, now what? Take the input shaft of the trans, spin it. It stops. Why does it stop? It's like hitting something. Put it in second gear. Spin the input shaft again. It stops again. So Scott's gonna shoot this way. He's gonna bring me his T56 Magnum. What a nice fucking guy. We're gonna throw that in the car so I can drive this, so I'm not out of vehicle because he's a fucking homie. I'll take the T56 back, mail it back. They'll have to inspect it, warranty it out, and send a new one. So it's a process, man. It's probably going to be a month or so, I guarantee it. Hopefully it's only like a few weeks. I have the worst mother effing luck on the planet. It doesn't matter if I use used parts, if I get brand new stuff, no matter what. I have the worst fucking luck. Here we have another thing, another example of the worst luck. Actually, the Clutch Master's clutch. Beautiful. Love it. Fantastic. No complaints. I'll be able to get into a video about driving with that daily too. Fucking don't even hesitate about buying that thing. I think it's sweet. But so far, doing things the proper way, buying brand new parts, installing it at a shop, still, bro, I have the worst fucking luck with cars. So Maybe I should just stop.